Welcome guys. Let's do near protocol technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Current rank of near protocol is 24 and price of near protocol is $15 right now. Market cap of near protocol is $9 billion. Fully diluted market cap of near protocol is $15 billion. That is very huge. 24-hour trading volume of near protocol is $697 million. That is huge. And circulating supply of near protocol is 599 million. Maximum and total supply of near protocol is 1 billion. And let me please show you some statistics. All-time high of near protocol was on December 27, 2021, about 13 days ago, and price was $16. All-time low of this token was on November 4, 2020, a year ago, and price was just 52 cents. Near protocol return on investment is 1076%. That is very huge. And it is available on Binance, KuCoin, Huobi Global, Gate.io. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange or KuCoin Exchange or Huobi Global Exchange, just go to in this video's comment section where you can find these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free and tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. This is Near Protocol website. Reimagine your world, and here you can see foundation for creation, solutions for scaling, for multi-chain futures. Create an account and choose path. Build growth, belong. This is website and you can visit this website by your own. And let me please show you first chart. This is near USD pair 4-hour chart. Current price is at $14.98 right now, and it is in this symmetrical triangle. We have to wait for the breakout. If it break out towards upside, then it will be huge. But for this, it have to break $15.74 resistance. After that, it can easily hit $17 price area. Let me please calculate it. If price break this towards upside, in that case, our target would be, let me please consider it, this area, $18 price area. Let me please clone this. And if unfortunately price break this towards downside, in that case maybe price can go down to $10 price area. We have to watch this very carefully. But I think price have to move towards upside, and I think this will be the possible scenario, because there is a spot zone is at $14 price zone, and at $13 price zone, and at $12 price zone. These all are spot zones. That is why I think price will go up. And if price touches this zone, $11.56 price area, then I think price will move up. We have to wait until it will break this symmetrical triangle. If it break towards upside, then $18.50 is our target. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon. Unfortunately, candle closing below this EMA ribbon, and that is a bearish sign. Maybe we may see price consolidation. Maybe price can go down to $14, $13, and maybe $12 price area, this area. And this is very important area to hold. And if price break this area, next is 9.52. I don't think price can go down to hit this zone. I think this area is very important to hold, $13 and $12 price area. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you 4-hour MACD. 4-hour MACD crossover was towards downside, and towers are now changing their color. Maybe we see a crossover towards upside. After that, a big move towards upside will happen definitely, and we have to wait for this. and these areas are very important. $13 and $12 price area, these areas are very important to hold. And if it break this towards upside, next target is 15.74, after that 17.68 and $18.49. These are coming targets. Let me please show you daily chart. This is a near protocol daily chart and it is in USDT pair. Current price is at $14.95 right now. These white lines are horizontal resistances. Here you can see price rejected several times from this area. That is why this is called very strong resistance, and this area is also very strong support. Here you can see $14 price area. If price break this area, in that case $12.90, $11.65, these are our coming sport zones. And if price break this area, $16.50, after that $17, maybe $18 is very near. We have to watch this very carefully. Currently it seems very bullish, and let me please first show you daily EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon is very strong and it is at the same price where this support area exists, and it is at $14 price zone. That is why this area is very important, and it is creating a pattern which is called bull flag. Let me please show you. For this I have to hide this, and let me please do this. Here you can see it is like a bull flag, and if I put it from here you can see this is like a bull flag. Let me please clone this and let me please show you. If it break towards upside, and after that our target will be $22 price area, which is very important, and it will create new all-time high. This bull flag target is $22 price area. And let me please show you daily MACD. Daily MACD crossover towards downside and red towers are coming. Maybe we may see some price drop. Maybe price can go down to hit this zone, maybe $13 price area, maybe $14, $13 price area. But after that price will have to hit these targets, I think so. And let me please show you CPR levels, and let me please change the color of CPR levels. Sorry for that. Currently here you can see these are main CPR levels. These white lines are main CPR levels, and these CPR levels are acting like a support for a near protocol. And here you can see these blue lines are our monthly CPR targets, and price break this monthly CPR target. Here you can see price can hit this monthly CPR target, and it is at $19 price area. After that, this is second target, $24 price area, and third bullish target is $30 price area. And if price lose grip from here, and if price may break this box area, after that price can go down to hit this zone. This is monthly bearish target, and it is very realistic, but I don't think it is at $8 price area. I don't think price can go down to hit this zone. This box area is very important to hold. Once near protocol hold this area, then when and good, and after that we may see a upside movement. Let me please delete all these things, and let me please show you some fib levels for trading. Let me please arrange this chart. Currently it is at the same area where this 0.23 fib level exists, and it is $13.71 price area. Next zone is 0.38 and it is $11.24 price area, and after that 0.5 fib level which is $9.24 price area, and after that golden pocket 0.61 and it is $7.25 price area. This is golden pocket. Maybe price can go down to hit this zone $9.2, maybe $11 price area, but this is the major zone. Price have to hold this zone $11 price area. If price break this area, in that case $9 will be the last support for us. After that we may see very low prices. I think so. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. And if you want to grab these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can find these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration you have to deposit. After first deposit you can claim these bounces. These bounces are tradable. Trade with these bounces only, put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.